Another initiative under business leadership is skills-based hiring. This is really important because skills-based hiring kind of levels the playing field for job seekers. So it's so easy for an organization to say, yep, I need somebody with a 2-year or 4-year degree with X number of experiences to fill that position. Well, you might have just cut in half 50% or more of the qualified people who could fill that role, but never had the opportunity to get that earned credential that you're looking for, but have the skills and the knowledge and even the experience, and may even be related in another industry and very applicable to what you're doing. So we challenge businesses to say, can you look at your hiring practices and can you really start thinking about what are the skills that are needed, not so much what is the past experience that's needed. And so that's something that, we're charging the business community to look at. And the state of Connecticut has made a commitment, the Department of Administrative Services, to say, we would like to pilot a skills-based hiring program at the state as a way to say we can be a leader in this and show you how that works. And so we're looking for other companies across the state to do pilot programs with us.